Tonight, a WESH 2 investigates exclusive on a case of alleged illegal voting.
A man charged with fraudulently casting ballots in 2020 will not face trial because the Office of Local State Attorney Phil Archer mistakenly dropped the case.
WESH 2 investigative reporter Greg Fox has this exclusive report on how it all happened.
All right, Christopher Lawrence Moy Sr.
WESH 2 Investigates first brought you the story last year of Christopher Moy being charged with voting illegally in 2020.
Unqualified elector willfully voting.
Though he seemed surprised to hear that when a detective called to tell him before his arrest.
I was under the impression that the law was passed for convicted felons to vote.
Moy was referring to Amendment 4, passed in 2018, that restored the voting rights of most former felons. But sex offenders and murderers are excluded, and Moy is a registered sex offender. So why did the Office of State Attorney Phil Archer drop its case against Moy, filing a no prosecution last October? Because Moy was listed as deceased by the Sexual Offender and Predator System and the Department of Motor Vehicles. But Christopher Moy is not dead. In fact, it was his father, who has the same name, that passed away last year. So why did two state agencies list the defendant as deceased? A spokesperson for State Attorney Archer says it is our understanding that those state agencies utilize information provided by the Department of Health that a person is deceased. An email from the sheriff's office in Orange County, where Moy was living, states it appears that the Department of Health incorrectly reported Mr. Moy as deceased. Get this, because the state dropped the case and FDLE didn't discover the mistake until February. Moy's right to a speedy trial expired in January, and he cannot be recharged with illegal voting.
I don't want to see this happen in the future where someone's not held accountable.
Seminole County Election Supervisor Chris Anderson says he hopes the Office of State Attorney Archer verifies reports of deceased defendants in the future before dropping cases.
I don't know where the mistake happened in the process, but we need to fix it. And, we need to make sure that these folks don't vote if they're not eligible. And if they are eligible, then we need to make sure that they do vote.
The state attorney spokesperson says in light of this discovery, our office will also pursue obtaining a certified death certificate as confirmation when disposing of a criminal case due to the death of the offender. We went to Moy's Orlando home and left a message on his phone with no responses. Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.
WESH 2 Investigates reached out to the State Health Department to learn more about how this mistake happened to begin with. We will update you on the story once we hear back. Neither the state attorney or public defender's offices will comment right now on Moy's elections case because he's still facing a charge of failing to report a change of address, which is required of registered sex offenders in the state of Florida.